Last month in AR Sport update mentioned the Moto One Vision, a device that we never heard about, basically nothing about. Today One Vision published a comprehensive leak of One Vision and this spec sheet is interesting to say the least. It included an Exynos chipset, super tall 21:9 display, a camera with whopping 48 megapixels. As you might have observed from the One branding, the One Vision will become the Motorola latest Android One device. But unlike previous One phone which used Snapdragon 6 series processor, the One Vision reportedly have Samsung on-board Exynos 9609 processor. The Exynos 9610 processor, the same 9609, they have the same octa-core chipset, but which is slightly lower 2.2 GHz clock speed. It also comes with 4GB RAM, minimum 128GB storage, which is great to see. The storage can be expanded up to microSD card. Phone also comes with dual SIM support. With One Vision 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with 1080 pixel display, the Motorola become the second manufacturer to use a 21:9 aspect ratio on phone after Sony. I really love to see how One Vision work on a 21:9 aspect ratio. I already see Sony 10 and 10 Plus smartphone. They also come with 21:9 aspect ratio. These kind of display really helpful when you watch movies and other video stuff. However, there is still a hole punch camera in the way. There is a lot of megapixel on One Vision, 48 megapixel on back and 25 megapixel on front. A rear camera said to come with a night vision feature, but we have surprised if it can match the Google Night Sight. It can also film in 4K 30 frame and 1080p 16 frame, and some of our especially movie style mode and other detail, including not insignificant 3500 mAh battery and Bluetooth 5.0. Unfortunately, there is no water or dust resistant in mention. The One Vision will cost €299 when it comes available for purchase on May 16 in Europe. It will be available in blue and brown color. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.